This is the TI-36X Pro. And what I want to do is I want to find the median on this table. First thing we're going to do is click on data. I'm going to delete all the information in here. There's only 3 columns. Click on data and scroll all the way down to clear all. Now I'm going to enter the data. So X will be L1 and the frequency will be L2. Okay, L1, list 1, list 2. So L1, 1, enter, 2, enter, 3, enter, 4, enter, 5, enter. And then we're going to move over using the pad here to the next column. 10, enter, 15, enter, 20, enter, 15, enter, 10, enter. And then you can use the arrow going up and then verify all these numbers. 1 and 10, 2 and 15, 3 and 20, 4 and 15, and 5 and 10. Okay, so we can go to data, but not that one because I made a mistake here. I want the blue one that says stat distribution. So we click on the blue key first and then data. There we go. Okay, now this is only one variable statistics as well, right? If you think about it, it says how many 10s do I have? 1. How many 15s do I have? 2, right? So how many 10s do I have? How many 1s do I have? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way to 10. And I have 15 2s, right? 2, 2, 2, 15 of them. So this is still one variable statistics. So I'm going to click on number 2. Now, here we have L1 for my list, for my variable, and in the frequency, right, is not L1, but L2. So I go down, and I'm going to go to L2 and enter. You have to enter because if you don't, it'll stay in 1. So here you see L1, L2, right? And then you press enter for calc. And then you can see N is there in the mean, but we want the median. And the median will be 3. Okay? And that kind of makes sense as well.